Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change 24-hour format on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. In general management, you can see the date and time. Okay, tap the date and time. In date and time, below you can see the use 24-hour format. And okay guys, if this turn on, the time of your Samsung Galaxy A02 is 24 format. So we can try it. To enable this or to use the 24-hour format, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, so if this turn up, the time of your Samsung Galaxy A02 is 12-hour format. So I decide to turn on my 24 hours format to my Samsung Galaxy A02 by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed 24-hour format on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.